Welcome to our new normal classroom. I am your virtual teacher and I'm here to teach you math. So before we start, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. For our lesson for today, we're going to discuss about the properties of operation. So addition and multiplication. So dun muna tayo sa addition. So first one, we have the commutative property of addition. When two numbers are added, the sum remains the same even if we change the order of numbers. So, A plus B is equal to B plus A. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nagpalit lang ng pwesto si A saka si B. So, kung dito nauna sa ating addeds is A, sa kabila, nauna naman din si B. So, kapag ganyan, they will have the same answer. So, halimbawa, we have 7 plus 3. Pag pinagbaliktad natin siya, which is 3 plus 7, makukuha pa rin natin yung parehas sa sagot. So, let's add 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 3 plus 7 is also equal to 10. Another example, we have 1 plus 2 plus 4. So, pag pinagbalik-baliktad natin yung tatlo, parehas pa rin yung sagot niya. So, 4 plus 1 plus 2. Let us check kung parehas. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So, plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So, kabila, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So, tatandaan na, kapag commutative property of addition, kahit nagpalit sila ng pwesto, parehas pa rin yung magiging sagot nila. So, another property that we have is the associative property of addition. The groupings of the addends does not affect the sum. So, A plus quantity B plus C is equal to quantity A plus B plus C. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nagpalit sila ng kagrupo. So, kung dito, ang magkagrupo dito ay B saka si C, sa kabila, ang magkagrupo naman ay si A plus B. So, sabi sa property natin, kahit magpalit daw sila ng grupo, parehas pa rin yung kanilang sum. So, let's check. 1 plus quantity 2 plus 3 is also equal to quantity 1 plus 2 plus 3. So, tingnan natin kung parehas pa rin yung sum nila ha. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So, plus 1. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Kabila. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 3. That is also equal to 6. So, parehas pa rin yung kanilang sum. Okay, sa panghalimbawa, we have 10 plus quantity 2 plus 3 is equal to quantity 10 plus 2 plus 3. So, let's check kung parehas pa rin yung kanilang sagot. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Next, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So, magkaparehas ulit yung kanilang sagot. So, tatandaan kapag associative property of addition, kahit magpalit sila ng kagrupo, hindi pa rin yun makaka-apekto sa sum. They will still have the same sum. Next property is the identity property of addition. Any number added to 0, the sum is the number itself. So, A plus 0 is equal to A. So, tatandaan, kahit sino daw na number na i-add natin kay 0, ang sagot ay yung number pa rin. Halimbawa, 1,000 plus 0. Ang sagot niyan ay 1,000 pa rin. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 44 plus 0 is equal to 44. So, that is the identity property of addition. So, let's have an activity. Identify the addition property used in each question. Okay, let's answer. Number 1, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. So, anong tawag sa property na yan? That is identity property of addition. Next, 8 plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 8. Anong property nga yan? That is the commutative property of addition. Next, quantity 11 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 11 plus quantity 2 plus 8. So the property is associative property of addition. Nagbago lang sila ng groupings. Next, number 4. 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. So our answer is identity property. Number 5. 9 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 9. So our answer is commutative property. Okay, sana naintindihan niyo yung addition. Pupunta naman tayo sa multiplication. So, first property sa ating multiplication is the commutative property of multiplication. When two numbers are multiplied, the product remains the same even if we change the order of the factors. So, eto, kahit magkapalit daw yung order o yung pwesto ng ating mga factors, parehas pa rin yung sagot natin. A times B is equal to B times A. Halimbawa, 2 times 5, pag nagpalit sila, naging 5 times 2, they will still have the same answer. Okay, let's check. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 5 times 2 is also equal to 10. Okay, another example, we have 3 times 4. This is also equal to 4 times 3. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 4 times 3 is also equal to 12. So that is our commutative property of multiplication. Another property is the associative property of multiplication. The groupings of the factors does not affect the product. So ito din, kahit nagpalit sila ng kagrupo, parehas pa rin yung ating sagot. Halimbawa, 2 times 5 times 3. This is also equal to, kapag nagpalit sila ng group, naging magkagrupo naman si 2 times 5 times 3, same pa rin yung sagot niyan. So, let us check. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 2 times 15 is equal to 30. So, 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 10 times 3 is also equal to 30. So, parehas pa rin yung sagot nila. Okay, another example, we have 10 times 20 times 4. So, kapag nagpalit sila ng kagrupo, magiging 10 times 20 times 4, they will still have the same answer. Let's check. 10 times 20 is equal to 200 times 4. 200 times 4 is equal to 800. Next, let's check. So, 10 times 20 times 4 is equal to 80. 10 times 80 is equal to 800. So, parehas pa rin yung sagot nila even if nagpalit sila ng mga groupings. Another property is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Multiplying a sum by a number gives the same result as multiplying each added by the number and then adding the products together. So, A times quantity B plus C is also equal to quantity A times B plus quantity B times C. Okay? Gawin nga natin. Halimbawa, 2 times 3 plus 5. So, equal din daw siya kay 2 times 3 plus 2 times 5. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nag-distribute lang tayo. So, si 2, tinimes kay 3, si 2, tinimes din kay 5. Okay, tingnan nga natin kung parehas ng sagot. So, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So, 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Next, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Plus 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So, 6 plus 10 is also equal to 16. Okay, another property is the identity property of multiplication. Any number multiplied to 1, the product is the number itself. So, A times 1 is also equal to A. Okay, halimbawa, 2 times 1, that is also equal to 2. 100 times 1, that is also equal to 100. 444 times 1, that is also equal to 444. 35 times 1, that is also equal to 35. Okay, next property is the zero property of multiplication. Any number multiplied to zero, the product is zero. So, kahit sinong number daw na i-multiply mo kay zero, ang sagot niya lagi ay zero. Kahit ba si 1 million pa yan, pag multiply mo siya kay zero, ang sagot niya ay zero pa rin. Okay, isa pa, we have 2 times 0, that is also equal to 0. 50,000 times 0, that is also equal to 0. Okay, let's have an activity. Identify the multiplication property used in each equation. Okay, let's answer. So, 2,365 times 1 is also equal to 2,365. Anong property ang ginamit natin dito? So, we use identity property of multiplication. Next, 8 times 100 is also equal to 100 times 8. So, ang ginamit natin dyan is the commutative property of multiplication. Next we have quantity 11 times 2 times 8 is equal to 11 times quantity 2 times 8. So the property that we use is the associative property of multiplication. Next, 1,200 times 0 is equal to 0. So the property that we use is the zero property of multiplication. Next, 9 times 3 is equal to 3 times 9. Okay, the property that we use here is the commutative property of multiplication. So that's all. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm your virtual teacher. Goodbye!